So here's how you can enable automatic dubbing YouTube videos on your PC. Alright, so for that reason, first of all, let me just open up any of the browser and go to the youtube.com. Now, right after that, you need to go and select the profile icon on the right upper side and simply go with the YouTube Studio. Now, once you have done to here, you need to select the settings on the left bottom side. Now, select the upload defaults. Go with the advanced settings. Now, once you have done to here, you can simply scroll sometimes, and as you can see, the automatic dubbing is here. You are eligible for early access of automatic dubbing. Enable it by dubbing on your next upload. So if you tap on this option, then it will start dubbing your videos. So that's how you can simply enable or allow automatic dubbing YouTube videos on your PC. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.